Hello, I would like to welcome you back to this training course presentation of the SAP Materials Management Purchasing and Material Master for Beginners. In this lesson I will show you how to display a material list. So let's begin by going to Logistics, go to Materials Management, go to Material Master, click on Other. For this lesson we are going to use transaction MM60 materials list. So let's go ahead and double click on this transaction. This transaction will allow you to display a list of materials based on the values entered. As you see in the material list initial screen, the user is allowed to fill in a single or a range of materials, plant number, material type, material group, and even the user who created the material master record. So let's go ahead in the plant, click on the plant field and type 3100 and press the tab key. Select the material type field. A material type is a grouping of materials with the same basic attributes such as finished product, raw materials, or semi-finished products. So let's click on the material type selection icon. It's right here, this one. Click now on the single value selection icon. The material type entries is displayed. Sort the list by clicking on the material type description header, and let's select first finished product and then click continue. Click again on the single value selection icon and scroll down. Let's first sort, scroll down, and let's choose now semi-finished product. It's right here, and then click continue to confirm. Let's choose another one. Let's click again on the single value selection icon and let's choose raw material, this one, and click to confirm. Now let's click on the execute right here, this icon. See the evaluated materials only, this one right here. The indicator has been set, and that means that the only materials that are going to be included in the report or the list are the materials who have their values entered. As I mentioned earlier in this lesson, this is the purpose of this transaction. So let's go ahead and now and click on the execute. The material list is displayed, and the data displayed in the list is as follows. We have first the plant number, and then we have the material part number, the material description, the M type, which is the material type, raw, semi, or finished product. Last change column showing the date when the material was last revised. The next column is the material group, showing the material group number for each material. Next column is PGR for purchasing group, which is specified in the purchasing view. Next column is TYP, MRP type. TYP key specifies on how the material planned, and this is specified in MRP1 view. The next column is val_cl or valuation class. The valuation class field is a process to assign a material to the GL accounts, and that's specified in accounting 1 view. The PR or price control. The price control is used in the valuation of the stock, and that's specified in accounting 1 view. And the two options are average moving price or standard price. You have S or V. Moving price is calculated by dividing the material value by the total stock, and the standard price can be entered when the price control indicator is set to S. A base unit of measure is specified in the basic data 1. We have kilogram, pieces, liters, so on and so forth. Price is specified in accounting 1, and the last column is created by, is the user who created the master record. If you notice, we have also the icons right here above the list. You have an Excel icon that allows you to export the list to an Excel format. There are also other options as well. And this will bring us to the end of this lesson. So let's go ahead and review the quiz questions to find out how much you have learned from this lesson. And if you get stuck on some of the questions, go back and review the material one more time.